Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Plug the Chromecast into an available HDMI port and connect its USB power to an outlet or a TV USB that supplies steady power. Make sure your phone or tablet is on the same Wi-Fi network you intend to use. This is essential because the device pairs over local network discovery. Once the dongle boots and shows the Chromecast welcome screen, open the Google Home app on your device. In the Google Home app, tap the plus icon and choose Set Up Device, then New Devices in your home, so the app searches for the Chromecast on your LAN. When you see the device code on the TV, verify it matches the app. This prevents mispairing. Select your Wi-Fi SSID and type the password carefully. Once connected, name the Chromecast to reflect its room. Allow any permission requests so casting, device management, and firmware updates work smoothly. Once configured, accept any firmware updates and let the Chromecast reboot. This ensures stability and security. Test by casting from a supported app like YouTube or from Chrome on your phone. Tap the cast icon and choose your device to confirm audio and video route correctly. If it doesn't work, power cycle the router, Chromecast, and phone, then retry. Also make sure the phone and Chromecast use the same Wi-Fi band and that no guest network isolation is blocking device discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.